I'm just chilling here with these beautiful cranes. They're sitting here at my little picnic spot, working on my coloring, hanging by the lake. And they decided they wanted to stop by and say hi. Can't really make the bird noise they make, but they're cute. They're loud. It's a little group of them. I see they like them crushed, so I'll throw a couple out that are a little smushed for them. Aren't they pretty? I think they look like they would be soft to pet and hug. Yes. This front one really likes those crackers. The middle one ate a couple, but the one in the back didn't really like them, I guess. But that's okay. Not everybody likes crackers. Anyway, hope y'all have a great day.